Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to make a mirror text effect in DaVinci Resolve 18. And here you can already see the end result of today's video. Okay, to start the video, we are in Fusion. You have your media in one, media out one. Just click the media in, then click on the text plus mode one time so it connects to the merge one. And then of course choose your text. Okay, once you have adjusted it however you like, what you want to do is copy the text one. Command plus C and then Command plus V. Then what you want to do is connect this text 1_1 to the merged one. So the merge two joins like this. Perfect. Then what you want to do is click on the merge two and we want to flip the text with vertically, like this. If you adjust the Y, here you can of course leave a bit of a space between, but what I like to do is to connect it completely, just like this. Perfect, now you go over to settings and here you can adjust the blend, however you like. For example, like this, I'm going with around about 60%. That looks very nice. Okay, after this, you go to text 1_1, then go to transform and open the shear section. And here with adjusting the X, you see what I'm doing. It adjusts the mirror text like this. Maybe let's do it just like this. Perfect. Then what I like to do is to add a mask. Just click the mask. Here I like to do the rectangle one. And then just adjust it to your text like this. Perfect. And then scroll down, like for example, this, and just leave it here. And then you go over under controls. You see soft edge. With adjusting this, you can see it gets a very soft edge and you can adjust it to your liking. For example, like this. And now the end result looks like this. Okay, that was a little hack on how to make a mirror text effect in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.